What if I told you that one single car saved Ford Motor Company from possible financial disaster, reshaped American automotive design, and became one of the most iconic post-war classics ever built? Today, we're diving into the story of the legendary 1949 Ford Custom Club, a car that didn't just roll onto the streets, it made history. Welcome back to CarAug 765, the home of classic car stories, automotive legends, and timeless machines. If you love vintage cars and powerful automotive history, make sure you subscribe to the channel because every video here takes you back to the golden era of automobiles. Now let's travel back to 1949. World War II had ended just a few years earlier. America was rebuilding. People wanted something new, not just in life, but on the road. Most car manufacturers were still producing slightly updated versions of their pre-war designs. Cars looked outdated. The public was ready for something bold and modern. And that's when Ford made a revolutionary move. The 1949 Ford Custom Club was completely redesigned from the ground up. This wasn't just a facelift, it was a total transformation. The design was so different that people nicknamed it the shoebox Ford, because of its smooth, slab-sided body shape. For the first time, Ford eliminated the separate fenders and running boards. The body was wide, low, and sleek. It looked modern, clean, and powerful. Compared to the bulky pre-war cars, this design felt futuristic. The Custom Club model, especially the two-door version, quickly became a favorite among young drivers. It had style, attitude, and presence. The chrome grille was simple yet elegant. The wide stance made it look planted and confident on the road. But it wasn't just about looks. Under the hood, buyers had two engine options: a 226 cubic inch inline-six engine for smooth and reliable driving, or the more exciting 239 cubic inch flathead V8, and that V8 was the real heart of the car. The flathead V8 delivered strong performance for its time and produced that deep, classic American engine sound that car enthusiasts still love today. It wasn't just transportation, it was an experience. Ford was actually in serious financial trouble in the late 1940s. If this model had failed, the company could have faced major consequences. Everything depended on the success of the 1949 lineup. And the result? It was a massive hit. Ford sold over 1 million cars in 1949 alone. The custom models played a huge role in that success. This car didn't just save Ford, it restored confidence in the brand. Inside the cabin, the Custom Club offered comfort and simplicity. The dashboard design was clean and functional. The seats were spacious. For many American families, this car represented progress and prosperity after years of hardship. In the 1950s, the 1949 Ford became one of the most popular cars in the growing hot rod culture. Young enthusiasts began customizing them, lowering the suspension, modifying engines, chopping roofs, and turning them into street machines. The 49 Ford became a symbol of freedom, creativity, and post-war American optimism. Even today, if you attend a classic car show in the United States, you will almost certainly find a beautifully restored or customized 1949 Ford Custom Club. Some restored models sell for impressive prices depending on condition and originality. Collectors appreciate it not only for its design but for its historical importance. This car represents a turning point in automotive history. It marked the beginning of modern American car styling. After 1949, other manufacturers followed similar smooth body designs. The 1949 Ford Custom Club wasn't just a car. It was hope after war. It was innovation after stagnation. It was style combined with strength. When you look at it today, you're not just seeing metal and chrome. You're seeing a piece of American history that changed everything for Ford Motor Company. So tell me, would you love to have a 1949 Ford Custom Club in your garage? Do you prefer the inline-six or the legendary flathead V8? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into classic car history, don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow car lovers, and subscribe to CarAug 765 for more legendary automotive stories. Until the next classic adventure, keep loving cars, keep chasing history, and I'll see you in the next video.